Right guys, workout 3, we come to our squat movement. Now those we've done previously have been the back squat and the front squat. It's been both feet working together, both legs working together. Now we're going to split it up, okay? We're going to do single leg squats. As an athlete, we're normally on one leg or the other leg, so we need to get that single leg power up, and this is the perfect exercise to do that. And this is going to be a Bulgarian split squat. What we're going to do, toes down on the bench, okay? Foot pointing forward, and again we want our knee to track outside the toes, we don't want it to come inside. Keeping our chest up, we don't want our hands on our legs. If you need to put them somewhere, you put them on your hips. We're just going to bring that back knee down to the ground, push up through the heel with the front foot.